Okay, so this is just gonna be a quick video. So as you can see, I'm running Arch Hyperland and I'm running it with no panel or taskbar, whatever you want to call it, top or bottom. Now, I wanted to still display the time, so I want to know the time and the date and so on. So I thought, how am I gonna do that? I want something to just slide in and then slide out maybe. Now there's lots of different ways to do that. Some people run it in their terminal. They have the time and date and calendar, everything in their terminal permanently, but I don't want to do that. And I don't want a taskbar. I like this clean look. So I thought, okay, just write a little script. And then if I press a keyboard shortcut, it will notify me the time. So what it does is I use Dunst and Dunstify. So I think more people know notify send. Is it notify send? Yeah. So there's a little slide box here at the top that gives you warnings and notifications about what's going on in your system. I know this is by default installed on, say, KDE Plasma and GNOME and so on, even Windows. But on Arch, obviously not. So I installed Dunst and Dunstify to actually have the notification. And then if I press a shortcut key, it will just send it to the notification. It will show it to me, and then that's it. Let me just show you how it looks. So I press super and T for time, obviously. And it will show me the date and time there. So date and time. And that's it. So I just want to, so it just shows me quickly. I can check the time and it gets out of the way. And then if I click on it, so this is extra. So it will ask you if you want to install the calendar as well. It gives you an option. So it's a script I created to do this. So in the script, it will ask you, do you want to install the calendar? And if you say no, then it will just show the time. If you say yes, you have a calendar option as well. So you can actually click on this notification box and it will open just a rudimentary, a basic calendar. I don't have a dark theme installed on this Arch. That's why it's so white. Right, so I can still, you can make it where it hovers, but I like if it's already tiled. I don't want it to hover. If you want to make it hover, you have to go to obviously your Hyperland file. Let's just go to Hyperland file. I'll show you quickly to just put in the shortcut key. So Hyperland. I have to think now. What is my Hyperland? I have to see it there because I split my Hyperland file up into many files, which sounds crazy, but it's actually easier to use. I just can't remember the goddamn names now. So, my God, why am I so blue screening now? So hyper, and then yeah, let's just go to this directory. So you save all your files there. Oh my goodness. So let's go there. What is it called? It's called key bindings, name I gave it. So let's just nano key bindings. Making a video and typing is something I have to get used to. I'm useless. That's not that one. What am I spelling wrong? Key bindings. Goodness. No. Oh my goodness. Sorry. There it is. All my key bindings. Wow, that was painful. Right, so this is all my key bindings separate from my main configuration file, as you can see, is all just the bindings in here. So I just cut and paste it into a separate file. Right, and then here you can see I just bind the super key, which is main mod, and T. Then you say exec, which will execute whatever you put in there. And it obviously, so what a script does is, first it will just install and copy itself to this bin folder. And then you can run it from there. And it will, well, basically you can just hit the super key and T from there. You don't have to physically type this to run it. So yeah, there is the key. It will run showtime script. I should actually put this in the other one called all my programs. What's it called? Programs, yeah. So what you do is you put it in there. Nano programs conf. Yeah, so what you do is you just say, what should we call that now? I don't know what you call that. So there's my terminal file manager menu. What would you call just a separate script? I don't know. Then you would put it in there and then equals, and then you put that bin path with the script in here, and then it just looks better. Anyway, what else? So that's, I don't know, that's basically it. So what the script does is when you run it, it will install one thing. It will install, first it will copy it to the bin file, and then it will install Dunst and Dunstify. So a little program, that's your notifier program, because it needs that. So that's the only thing it installs. And then you run it again. Then it will actually ask you if you want to install the YAD calendar. This calendar is YAD calendar. So you can say no just for the time, then it won't install YAD calendar. And that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say about it. It just felt like I needed to say something more, but it's nothing. Yeah, that's it. Good.